What if I told you the productivity stack you've spent years perfecting is about to become as relevant as a floppy disk at a blockchain conference? Boom! Manus AI just rewrote the productivity rulebook and your favorite apps didn't make the cut. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how this digital sorcery is making everything from Notion to Asana look like cave paintings compared to the Sistine Chapel. This isn't an upgrade, it's a productivity extinction event. Get ready for the productivity wake-up call you didn't know you needed. I'm about to walk you through 5 mind-bending ways Manus AI is obliterating everything you thought you knew about getting things done. Let's see how this single tool makes your carefully curated productivity stack obsolete. Fact number 1, task management revolution. Remember when we thought Asana and Monday were game changers? Guess again, Manus AI doesn't just track tasks, it predicts what you need to do before you even think of it. I tested it against my meticulously organized Notion setup, and within 48 hours, Manus had not only imported everything, but reorganized it based on my actual work patterns. It spotted forgotten meeting follow-ups, prioritized tasks based on both deadline proximity and complexity, and also broke down vague projects into actionable steps with eerily accurate time estimates. My color-coded, tag-obsessed Notion system didn't stand a chance. If you think revolutionizing task management is impressive, wait until you see what Manus does to your calendar chaos. It's like watching a digital wizard organize your most chaotic time blocks in seconds. Fact number 2, calendar intelligence. Raise your hand if you've ever spent more time scheduling meetings than actually having them. Manus AI doesn't just sync with your calendar, it optimizes it. I threw every scheduling nightmare at it, finding deep work time, coordinating across time zones, and blocking recovery after travel. It handled everything flawlessly while suggesting smarter times for my standing meetings based on my energy patterns. It even noticed I take longer to respond to emails after certain meetings and automatically buffered extra time. Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, and Calendly just collectively updated their resumes. If you're not impressed yet, prepare yourself, because what Manus does with communication tools makes its calendar features look like a mere warm-up. Fact number 3, communication superpowers. Slack, Gmail, and even your precious Microsoft Teams are sweating right now. Manus doesn't just centralize communications, it transforms them. I tested this with 347 unread emails, don't judge, and asked Manus to sort them. Within minutes, it had. Identified and summarized 3 critical client requests buried in reply chains, drafted contextual responses for my approval, created a decision matrix for a complex project discussion, extracted action items from a 52-message Slack thread I'd been avoiding. It even recognized my communication patterns and suggested more effective phrasing for a difficult negotiation email. The kicker, it did all this while maintaining my personal writing style so perfectly that a colleague replied, "This is the most authentic email I've ever received from you." Just when you thought it couldn't get better, Manus takes aim at the holy grail of productivity, your creative output. And trust me, what comes next is worth sticking around for. Fact number 4, content creation and editing. Whether you're writing reports, crafting presentations, or building spreadsheets, Manus makes your current process look prehistoric. I tested it with a presentation I'd been putting off for weeks. Not only did it create a compelling outline from my scattered notes, but it also generated clear, insightful data visualizations, created natural transitions between sections, identified logical gaps in my argument, offered impactful alternative phrasings. The presentation took 45 minutes instead of my usual 4 hours, and my client called it the most cohesive proposal they'd seen all year. Google Docs, PowerPoint, and Canva are officially on notice. Still hanging onto your productivity stack? The final revelation might change your mind, because what Manus does for your professional growth makes everything else look elementary. Fact number 5, personalized learning acceleration. Here's where Manus truly separates itself from everything else. It doesn't just help you get things done, it helps you get better at what you do. After just 2 weeks, Manus had mapped my information consumption patterns, suggested targeted resources to fill knowledge gaps, created micro-learning moments fitting perfectly into my schedule, developed a skill roadmap aligned with my career goals. It's like having a personal coach, research assistant, and future version of yourself whispering exactly what you need to know precisely when you need it. Say goodbye to Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, and late-night YouTube tutorials. Now, is Manus AI perfect? Of course not. The learning curve is steeper than your average large tool, and it requires intentional setup time to maximize value. And yes, centralizing your entire work life in one AI system raises legitimate concerns. But here's the reality. We're witnessing productivity tools evolve into productivity partners. The question isn't whether AI will transform how we work, it's whether you'll lead the change or scramble to catch up. What's truly mind-blowing is how quickly this technology adapts to your unique needs. Within days, it feels less like using software and more like gaining a digital teammate who knows exactly how your brain works. This isn't just another app, it's the beginning of a fundamental shift in our relationship with technology. If you're as fascinated by this shift as I am, hit that subscribe button and notification bell because we're just scratching the surface of how AI is redefining productivity. Drop a comment with the one productivity pain point you'd love Manus to solve for you, and I might feature it in my next deep dive. Want to see more videos exploring cutting-edge AI tools? Let me know in the comments what other revolutionary tech you're curious about, and I'll put it on my radar for future content. Until next time, stop working harder, work smarter with the right AI by your side.